Echo One Adventures, what we are is a company that is very passionate about the outdoors, traveling, getting off grid, but still having all of the amenities of home. I realized that was something that I was very passionate about and interested in. Building out the camper shell of a truck and kind of progressing to let's upgrade this power system so we can kind of get exactly where we wanted to go. We like to live the lifestyle. You know, we don't feel comfortable putting any type of power system or products into your coach if we're not running them personally in our coach. And we have no problem pumping the brakes on an installation to make sure we get it right the first time. If you have time to go back and fix it or redo it, you had enough time to do it right the first time. That's kind of what I like to stand behind. I offer mobile service because it makes it significantly easier for full-time travelers. They can stay in something that they know, and they can stay in a campground and keep those systems all together. We don't have to uproot their life. They travel with pets a lot of times. Hotels aren't always friendly with pets, and that's also just an added cost. So like Kenny and Sabrina, for example, they can have everything as if they were plugged in at a campground while I'm working on it. So it significantly reduces the overhead as well as any type of anxiety. I can have the client there the whole time, and if we do a system design change, if I see anything that's wrong with it, I can say, hey guys, your converter's bad, or we saw this wire and it's fried up. So they're also very involved in the upgrade, which helps me and the client at the same time. In the event something does go wrong or there's any amount of troubleshooting that needs to happen, they're able to be a little bit more self-sufficient on themselves versus trying to call roadside assistance. Kenny wanted something to where they knew they wanted to run the air conditioner, they wanted to run the microwave, as well as they wanted to make it seem like they were plugged into shore power off of the battery banks. Those three Game Changer 3s, we already know that they're an absolute powerhouse of a system. The Battleborn offers some out-of-the-box configurations that allow me to maximize that power. And you flick a light on, you flick the AC on, and it just works. They're happy, ear-to-ear grin, and that's like the most fulfilling thing for me. The future of Echo One Adventures, we want to expand our rental fleet. We want to continue to grow as New Mexico's only solar and lithium installation company, and we hope to continue to collaborate with Battleborn on some great projects.